Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere pricing. Okay, so like I said in our former video, keywords everywhere has a very considerable and affordable price that is suitable for startup and individuals that have low budget on their keyword research plan. So now, for us to know the keywords everywhere pricing, we need to go to the keywords everywhere website, then click on pricing. And that page is keywordseverywhere.com forward slash pricing. So you can go to the website, the homepage of keywords everywhere, then you click on the pricing page. And once you click there, you're going to see their plan. So they have four beautiful plans here. And the first one is the bronze plan, which is so affordable. And this is built annually, which is $12, and you're going to get 100,000 credits here for a year. Okay, so you're going to get keywords per website, top 1,000 keyword, then backlinks per website, top 1,000 backlinks. Now, the difference between the bronze, which is $1 per month, and the silver is that the silver can give you up to 2,000 keywords of the website and up to 2,000 backlink. And you can also have access to SEO minions. SEO minions is beyond the scope of this video, but in another video, we're going to talk about SEO minions in detail. So now the silver plan is billed at $4 per month and annually at $48. Now the gold plan is $20 per month and annually at $240. Okay. So as the implies here, the keyword is up to 5,000 and up to 5,000 backlink. You have access to SEO minions and all rapid level up.com courses worth $597. And the highest plan here is $80 per month, which is not even up to that of SEMrush, which is the cheapest, $119 per month. So in this one, you're going to have 8 million credits per year. 8 million, right? That's quite some credit. So keywords per website top 10,000 and backlinks per website top 10,000. Access to millions. So I love their pricing plan. I really love it because it makes it very affordable for different categories and different types of people. So these are the frequently asked questions on keywords everywhere pricing. Okay. So what does one credit mean? You can get the answer here. One credit gets you the volume, CPC, competition, and 12-month trend data for one keyword. So for example, if you import 1,000 keyword into a bulk keyword data tool, you will use up to 1,000 credits. Okay. So how does credit expiration work? It talks about that here too. Once you purchase credit, they are valid for 1 year from the date of purchase. Before now, it wasn't like that. It was unlimited forever. So, but I think they worked on that. So, what modes of payment do you currently accept? All these and many more questions are on the pricing page. Just go to keywordseverywhere.com and click on their pricing page. So that'll be all for now, guys, in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.